Hi, this is a family favourite which I'm going to show you how to make. It's seekh kebabs in a masala. Firstly, you need to make the kebabs, and this is what you'll need. 1 kilo of minced lamb, 1 tablespoon of grated garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 medium onion very finely chopped, 4 heaped teaspoons of finely chopped green chilies. Here are the spices you'll need: garam masala, turmeric, coarse black pepper, ground cumin, salt, ground coriander and anardana, which is ground pomegranate. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees because we're going to bake the kebabs. Add everything to the minced meat and mix well. Next we need to make the kebabs, so if you make a ball the size of a golf ball and using a skewer make very small kebabs. Next put them into the oven for about 20 minutes and turn them halfway. While the kebabs are cooking, let's make the masala. For that you need crushed ginger and garlic, finely chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, coriander for garnishing and spices, which are cumin seeds, red crushed chilies, ground coriander, salt and 2 green chilies. Fry the onions in a 1/4 cup of oil until they're a light golden colour. Add the cumin seeds and fry for about 3 minutes. Add the ginger and garlic and fry for a few minutes. At this point, add the oil from the kebabs. Add the rest of the spices and fry for a few minutes. Then add the chopped tomatoes and simmer on a low heat for about 10 minutes. Then add the kebabs and the whole green chilies and steam on a low heat for about 15 minutes. It's ready now and it smells absolutely delicious. We're going to plate it up and garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Please do give it a try. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up. And please do check out my other videos.